God, it's just one of those bloody days again today. You know, everything is just going wrong. You know, look at this. Look at this. See? Empty. Empty. Got customers on the frigging email. You got this. You got that. You need this. Can you do that? We haven't got this yet, but it's not due yet. Where's this? Where's that? Oh, my God. It's just one of those. Oh, it's driving me absolutely freaking nuts. We need to do something about it. What can we do about it? Urgh. Get in the box, there we go, you bloody stupid thing. Ugh. Driving me right nuts today. Right. What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? Bloody light ain't even on. Get the light on. Oh dear. Oh no. That one. That'll do. God blimey, crikey. But you see that bloody box is now in. Oh my God, all going wrong today. Oh, bloody stupid box. Right, move the stupid box out of the way. Oh, now my chainsaw's falling over. Oh, God's sake. Right. There you go. Put you there. Bloody tape had better come up in one piece. Oh, it's just one of those days. See that? Put it in and it falls straight through. Oh, now it's come unwound as well. Oh, dear. This is better bloody work, because if it don't... Right, that done, that done, that done. Right, work. Right, computer. There. Text. There. Oh dear. This is getting too bloody hot in here now. What width do I want that to be? I want it to be that width. Oh, see? Bloody stuff hadn't cleared itself out of the box when it should have done. It's absolutely terrible. Absolutely disgusting. Right, cutter. No, I don't want it like that. I want it like that. God, bloody thing. Right, cut. Cut tile. Work. Oh, it's actually working. Right, that's that. Put that there. Turn you around so you can see. There we go. At least that's bloody working, eh? My God, so stressful today. Oh, you can sod off as well. Suppose I haven't had a news alert come through yet. That's what normally happens during videos, isn't it? Sat here doing this and then news alert. Nothing of interest has happened, but we're alerting you anyway. See, that didn't even go on there straight. God Blimey. One of those days, I tell you. Where'd that go? That's just gone. Absolute nightmare. Right. Stick that down like that and that like that. And then that like that. Like that. Onto that. It's gone. I've lost it. There it is. Stick to it, you bugger. Can you see? There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you tension paper. For those moments where life just gets too much. Oh yeah, that's better. And relax. Everything is fine. Customers are wonderful. Answering emails is perfect. eBay's not a problem at all. Isn't life wonderful? New tension paper, available nowhere, not sold by us, and that email will be a nice happy one, as will that one as well. And tell me some nice happy good things, because we are now in a happy place. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. And until the next video, if we can be bothered to get up, because we might just be too mellow playing with our tension paper, goodbye.